What is up, my adventure crew? I always talk about it, never give up, and I'll tell you what, today's video is all about that. We literally went from first in the morning in the dark till 30 miles out, ending the day in the dark. And the last half an hour to 45 minutes of the day is where we pretty much put our weight in the boat. We put 400 pounds of fish in the boat in the last 30 or 40 minutes of the day. Lures will be dropping after this video is over, so check it out. They're going to be limited supply, and some of the lures that are using this video, you also get on the website today. But I guess that's it, and here we go. I'll see you guys after the intro, boys and girls, for the dream. Welcome to Real Adventures Hawaii. This is what we do. What is up? Good morning, my adventure. Nick Morris here. Welcome to another episode of Real Adventures Hawaii. First time here, welcome aboard. Coming back, welcome back aboard. Today we're fishing Waianae, and it looks like Kaneohe Hollywood behind me. It's sporting today, and we're gonna see if we get lucky. But with us today, we have the only one and only who just woke up, Sleeping Beauty, Kamikaze Mark, on the beanbag chair, the time machine. And our one and only Gaff Nasty. Oh boy, Coney. Alright, so we'll get the line set. We're gonna put the outriggers out. With any good fishing trip, you guys know the rules. Everybody knows the rules. If you gotta get something, you have to give something. I tell you what, that sea god, you gotta give him or her something. I tell you what, they love their spam subis. Let's get this in the water. Let's get the lines out and see if we can get lucky. Here we go, boys and girls, for the dream. Let's get in the water. Only on the binos. It's a little sporting. Supposedly there's some tuna fish out here. I don't know. We'll see if we get lucky and try to get the monkey off our back this year. Still early in the year. It's only January. We can find them, boys and girls, for the dream. Let's see. My other friend just called me. He said, you guys are fishing? Nobody's out there today. It's 8:02 in the morning. 8:20. is the top of the tide change. From there, it's going to come down about 2 feet. So we'll see what happens. Play the tide changes. Tide changes are key. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Coney, thumbs up for good luck. Just like that. We turned up sea, and when it's a little sporty, turn up sea, you just gotta pay attention because you're gonna get, you might get sprays. I was like, I'm gonna put on my jacket, it's just like a little bit of spray. Oh, we had a muffin stuffer, that's what I like to call them. We just stuffed it right through it, over the top, hit over here, came all the way up. Hold on, muffin stuffer, hold on, hold on! Ah! Your fucking jacket, boy! Mark was sitting here, went down his grundin, soaking wet. Cody's soaking wet. I'm soaked to my shorts and underwear and my grundins. My camera up here, this. That's how much water we got. Oh my. Talk about this. First thing in the morning, it's 8:46, and I am soaked. All right, boys and girls, let's get it. Gotta love it. That's when the good times roll. Let's go find them fish. Porpoise in the boat from nowhere. But we see our first bird pop of the day. Hunting. I kind of spawned them in the binos about 1.5 miles away. That way. See what's in them. Hopefully something good. There are about over 100 birds there. So we'll see. Hopefully it's the pot of gold. Hopefully it's something we want. Still sporting. Oh, there's no further in the wave. Oh. Further in the wave. Follow flipper. Look at that. Epic. Alright, we'll keep going this way. But the birds are that way. It's 1 o'clock. Like I always said, there's 3 bites a day. Early bite, late bite, and wait for the late bite. Like I told Mark, right now we have to just embrace the suck and wait it out. The birds are becoming more active. We'll see a lot more birds. We get our chance today, boys. Never give up. This is what it's about. Look at you, look at that spur. Let's go! These are medium akus. Triple. And a bit big lure as well. Alright, we'll see you back here shortly. Let's get this stuff cleared up. Perfect, good job, Mark. Going out, yep. Ah, Coney. Okay, let's go. Get the next one. I think so, that one's still on, Mark. That's Otaru. That's what. Yeah, Adam and Leo. That's a big one. Oh, on the 100%er, baby. That's a big one. Oh, that's a dozer, Mark. Good job, boys. Oh no. Oh no. Mark's normal thing. Okay. Mark, afterwards we'll put that one back on, okay? And then oh, that's a big one. And then we'll put smallers and everything else. Not the Otarus, not the small crews. Smaller ones in that pound, yeah? I think that's a different pile, you know. I don't have the pile from earlier.
6 hours later.
So I got a little more snippy. Started kind of smoking outside. We're in clear lines, we're trying to fly it in, get in before it gets dark because it's supposed to get a lot rougher. That Otaru pile, I just got them here in the last line. And I was like, there's an Otaru pile right here. Mark was driving, I was clearing lines. So I was like, oh, let's try put out a line and see. Walk up to it and right there. It's a big one. Nice one. That's a big one. That's a big one, huh? Yep. That'll do. Cody, just like that. How's that 4-banger, boys? Big one. Come on, that one. We're running fast. It's a half an hour before dark. Let's take at least 1 or 2 more passes in. Well, 4-banger, we got 3 on the last one. Maybe get 1 more good pass in on my 3 on our 4-banger. Let's see. Good pile, but they're moving fast. There you go, Taurus. Oh, I can see the school under the water. I can see the school under the water. The school is right there under the water. Look at that. The school is right under the water. Wow. That's cool. You can see the whole school. Oh, you can see the whole school under the water. Oh, we got 3 or 4? 4? Huh?
Oh, look, you can see the whole school right here.
Yeah, I know. They're on their own. Look at that. Holy crap, that's crazy. The whole school. Oh, that's wild. Look at that. There's like thousands of them. Oh, there's like thousands of them. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Oh, that is epic. Yeah, you. Oh, that's a healthy one. Mark on. Yeah, you. That's a big one. Good job, guys. They're right behind us. I'm gonna swing a fast U-turn. We're in them. They're right behind us. 20 minutes till dark. Get one more pass on them, boys and girls. So you make your way. You look all day for these piles. Why are you gonna leave it now and wait to come back next time? Bang them now. Let's go, boys and girls. But that pound right here. We're gonna walk right into that pound right now. Here we go, boys. Oh, kind of far there. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready, here they come. Here they come, baby! 1, 2. I slowed down too fast, but that power is nasty. Nice one. All bust out. Look at the color. It doesn't even look like awkward. Look at the color.
That's what the other one was too.
The other one had weird bars on that. Boom. There you go. Good job. Get it right here. Right here. We get one more pass. One more pass. We still got that much sun left. That much sun left. Not much, but enough to throw one more pass. Right here, last pass. So let's get caught. Let's get a four bagger. Oh my God! I cut too fast. That one on, one on, two on, three on, four on, huh? Three on. Handle up! There we go. Only trying to get the line of my pop. Why aren't you going in? Good. We literally made most of our weight the last 45 minutes of the day. Good job, Pony. Good job, Mark. Pack you up, then we gotta go home and this stuff. Alright, let's get him packed up.
Gotta make the last trip count.
Yep. I guess I'd say that is the epitome of never give up. We probably only had that, and then we got that in the last 45 minutes. Good job, Coney. We made our weight. Good job, Mark. Ugh. Some dozers.
Yes, sir.
Some dozers. How's that dozer?
Dozers.
What about the fisherman? He want his fish from the sea. The water's too murky, too hard to see. And the farmer man